TJ with Avidyne again. In the following video, we're going to take a quick look at the VOR Localizer Glide Slope ARINC429 config page. So up here in the top box is where we can set our line speed for receive and transmit. Most typical installations, we're only going to be using the transmit side of this thing. And our format setting for receive and transmit. One of the things I definitely want to take the time to talk about is in the vast majority of installations, this should be set for VHF 429, where we're just sending straight nav information out of this 429 pair out of the P1006 connector. Now, that being said, there is an option here for VHF GPS 429. What this is for is units that have glass enabled, and ultimately this is going to provide the capability to give GPS deviation data over the nav ARINC 429 output. But again, it requires glass enablement for that to work. Otherwise, it's not going to work at all. And then there's another variant of that is specifically ProLine VHF GPS. Obviously for interface to ProLine systems, ProLine 21. And then back to our regular VHF 429 setting. This is the one that's going to be used 99.9% of installations. If you do not have glass enabled, this is definitely the one you want to use if you're connected via ARINC 429 to an EFIS system of any type. The SDI setting, we can either set for common, VOR ILS 1, or VOR ILS 2. I always recommend to set that according to whichever unit this is in the aircraft. So if it's the number 1 IFD, set this to VOR ILS 1. If it's the number 2, set it for VOR ILS 2. The reason for that is, let's say you're connected to an Aspen or an Integra PFD. When you go in and select your nav source on that PFD, you're going to select VLOC 1 or VLOC 2. This is how the IFDs know which one the system is actually talking to and listening from, okay? And then down here we've got a selection for our DME modes, direct frequency 1, direct frequency 2. So that's going to come into play if you have a DME connected, and that's pretty much it for this one. So thanks for watching. As always, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot an email over to techsupport@avidyne.com. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.